Viewer discretion advised.
It was a lovely day at the Southeastern Railway. That is, until you hear this phrase.
April Fools, Jimbo!
Ugh! I'm getting so tired of these pranks of yours, Gorford.
No, your ears aren't fooling you. It was the day before Jimbo's least favorite holiday, April Fool's Day. Every year, Gorford, or sometimes Presley, play a number of pranks and jokes. These include filling his funnel with sneezing powder, backing him up into a whoopee cushion, and worst of all, painting his face green with purple spots.
Oh, just you wait there, Richard. Someday I will get my revenge on those two dumbbells, specifically the little blue caterpillar.
Presley, Gorford, I think it's high time that we quit the jokes. Jimbo has grown quite tired of them. What did he even do wrong?
Well, for starters, he gave me quite the spook back at the smelter's yard.
Not to mention that he didn't accept the fact that you, me and Humphrey were really useful last week.
Still, that does not call for such sick jokes, especially towards an innocent little engine. What if he was to repeat the same process to the both of you? What will you do then? After hearing what Alfred said, Presley and Gorford made a vow never to be cheeky to Jimbo again. Unfortunately, Jimbo was too busy planning his April Fool's joke. He was carrying very dirty trucks when he met Humphrey.
Hey Jimbo, what are you doing?
Well, Humphrey, I'm preparing the most ultimate prank for Gorford and Presley. The two buggers have pulled the last one on me.
Oh, yeah. Well, what kind of prank, actually?
Well, I was thinking about laying some oil on the track and having them crash into a bunch of coal trucks. What do you think of that, Humphrey? Humphrey? Humphrey!
Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
Thank you.
Jimbo, don't tell me you're still interested in your so-called prank.
But of course I am, Humphrey. Gorford and Presley have made the final one. And now, it's my turn. Oh, someone's coming. Hello, Jimbo. Oh, hey, Tombo. Tombo, wait, stop. What? I can't hear you. I have to. Oh, sweet mother of mercy.
Jimbo!
Tombo! What is going on here?
Yeah, what's going on?
Wait, huh? Wait a minute, like, Gorford, like, you were supposed to, I mean, like, I'm dead, am I?
Oh yes, you are in more trouble than you think.
Oh, no.
I shall have a talk with you later, Jimbo. Tombo, I'm sorry about what happened to you. I will send Alfred to help you.
Why, thank you, sir. Hey, Humphrey, do you think you can take my passenger train next?
Of course I can. That's what friends are for.
Later, Jimbo was being confronted by the skinny controller.
I'm very sorry, sir.
I shall think so too. While Tombo was being mended, you were to do his extra work for the next few months.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
However, because of your prank, Gorford and Presley will stop pranking you forevermore, for they now know what you can do. And with that, you will receive a new coat of paint.
Oh, why, thank you, sir. Very obliged. Okay, this is not what I had in mind. I mean, I can't go out there looking like this.
April Fools!
Oh yes, pranks on me, la-di-da. Fair.